Right, today's tutorial is about creating domes. Now, domes are essentially an arc extruded around the circumference of the circle. I'm going to go ahead and create a circle, and I'm going to make this 10 feet, and that would make the radius 10 feet, the diameter 20 feet. So I know that the radius from the center point to the very edge of here is 10 feet. What I can do is I can create a line from here to the very edge and another line from here up 10 feet. Now I have to actually physically type this in because I don't have an edge to snap to. Typically, I like to make this arc laying down flat and then tilting it up because arcs tend to get a little weird when they're on the Z-plane. They're kind of standing straight up, but let's give this a shot. So I'm using arc, the letter A for arc. And if you notice, it can get a little weird. Sometimes it looks in perspective like you're snapping into a right place, but in reality it could be 50 feet below the circle, and this is why I like to do them on a vertical. And you can clearly see that there is a curve and it's not flat, so this is not going to work. So I have to make this same angle right here. I'm just going to choose an arbitrary spot. A snap to the green, 10 feet. Then I'm going to snap to the red, 10 feet. And then I'm going to create my arc. And you can see how it made it much easier rather than this floating space in the air. All right. So now I'm going to rotate this. I'm going to use a rotate command, and I'm going to slide over here because I want to rotate this 90 degrees. I'm going to type in 90 degrees just to be sure, and I'm just going to type in the number 90. If you look to the bottom left of my screen, there we go, hit enter. Now I'm good. I want to offset this, let's just say 2 inches, and extend this line here to here, and this line here to there. What I want to do is erase this plane and only have this left. This is all that I want to extrude about the circumference of this. And so let me go ahead and select this. Let me unselect this. I want to move and copy this, so move, control, and there we go, paste on this center. And now I can use the follow me tool under the tools, and I can select follow me. And why did that not go? Okay, there we go. There we go. And just follow the circumference of the circle all the way around, and voila, you have yourself a dome. Now this is a solid dome. I can delete this underneath, and I can give this some texture. Let's say I want to, I don't know, make this metal. There we go. That's something I could do. Let's say I don't want to do something like this. Maybe I want to do something else. And maybe I want to do another dome that is, let's just type in 10, enter. And maybe I want this to look like triangles and windows. I want this geode looking dome structure. There's a way to do it, and I will show you in the next video, but this is a simple dome for this video. Stay tuned.